Hey, Sarah Stanley here. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Wanted to talk really quickly about anti-inflammatory. I've seen this term used quite frequently recently, and I don't know if people understand exactly what that is. So the standard American diet is inflammatory. So it's going to cause inflammation, it's going to cause disease, anywhere from stroke, heart disease, cancer, and you want to have an anti-inflammatory lifestyle, kind of like a acidic body or an alkaline body. You want to kind of be more alkaline and have a balanced body. So when you're drinking processed drinks, from soda to sugar in coffee to processed crap products, those are all inflammatory, and they're going to cause inflammation, which will result in disease. So what is anti-inflammatory? Anti-inflammatory is real, whole, organic foods, minimally processed. So the number one food is actually a super spice is turmeric. I make sure I get this in my daily food lifestyle absolutely every day. I actually travel with a little glass bottle with it and sprinkle it on all my savory dishes, and it's fantastic. I make golden milk at night, and it's a fantastic way to have a really amazing nightcap, but it helps promote peaceful, restful sleep. And it also, turmeric has so many wonderful properties to it, including anti-cancer. So I highly recommend you get that in your daily lifestyle at all possible. Ginger is another fantastic one. Greens, coconut, those are all anti-inflammatory foods. And when you start eating more on the anti-inflammatory real food lifestyle, you're going to notice a huge shift in your energy, overall aches and pains, joints, and you're going to see amazing benefits. If you have questions, I'm at Sarah Stanley on Twitter. Post them. If you're on Facebook watching this, post them down below. I will try to answer as many comments as I can. I'm here to help you live free in health and wellness, so you're not always sick and you're actually preventing sickness. And it's an amazing, wonderful thing when you take health into your own hands and prevent disease. I highly recommend it. I've been living this way my almost entire life, and I just really want to help as many people as I can detox their mind, their body, their home, their life, and they can have freedom too. SarahStanleyInspired.com is our website, and I will chat with you later. Cheers.